Contemplating the use of Ozempic to help with weight loss? It's always wise to gather information and insights before jumping onto a new health regimen, and we're here to break it down for you. In this video, we'll take you through a comprehensive journey exploring Ozempic, its core benefits, and some initial insights into its potential side effects. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll delve even deeper into its effects and potential risks. If you're liking what you're hearing and want to stay informed, please do us a favor. Hit the subscribe button below and turn on the notifications. We continually release valuable content about health and wellness, and we wouldn't want you to miss out. Alright, let's dive right in. For those dealing with the challenges of type 2 diabetes, the path to managing the condition is often filled with choices. Among the myriad of treatment options out there, one might have popped up more than once: Ozempic, or its scientific name, semaglutide. But what exactly is Ozempic, and how does it fit into the bigger picture of diabetes management? Type 2 diabetes is characterized by the body's inability to properly use insulin, which leads to elevated blood sugar levels. Ozempic is a glucagon-like peptide 1 or GLP-1 receptor agonist, a type of drug that mimics the action of natural hormones in the gut. These hormones stimulate insulin secretion and slow stomach emptying, helping in controlling post-meal blood sugar spikes. With regular monitoring and a tailored treatment plan, patients can integrate Ozempic into the regimen and potentially see improved glycemic control. To put it simply, Ozempic is a multitasker. First off, when paired with a balanced diet and consistent exercise, it does an admirable job in helping regulate blood sugar levels. That alone is a commendable feat. But it doesn't stop there. For those who also have to juggle cardiovascular concerns along with type 2 diabetes, Ozempic throws in another benefit. It can reduce risks linked to heart or blood vessel issues. So yes, with Ozempic, you're essentially getting a 2-for-1 deal. Clinical trials have shown that patients using Ozempic had a reduced risk of major cardiovascular events, such as heart attack or stroke. It's worth noting that cardiovascular diseases are common complications of diabetes, making any reduction in risk particularly important. Additionally, the reduced risks associated with Ozempic go beyond just managing blood glucose levels. Improved cardiovascular outcomes can significantly enhance the quality of life for individuals with type 2 diabetes. Now let's talk about the mechanics of it all. Ozempic isn't something you take orally like your standard pill. It involves a subcutaneous injection. Now I know what you're thinking: injections? Not the most pleasant thought. But here's the silver lining. You're only looking at doing this once a week. It's a small weekly commitment that can bring you closer to achieving and maintaining your blood sugar goals. And considering the potential benefits, it's a small price to pay. The injection process for Ozempic is relatively straightforward and can be done at home after proper training. The medication comes in a prefilled pen, which simplifies the administration process. Regularly scheduled injections can be more effective than daily oral medications in ensuring that patients stick to their treatment plan. With consistency, patients may notice a significant improvement in their overall diabetes management. Now, while its main role centers around blood sugar, Ozempic has an interesting side job, assisting with weight loss. Though it wasn't initially crafted as a weight loss solution, many individuals have reported shedding some extra weight while on it. This isn't a guarantee for everyone, but it's an encouraging bonus for those who experience it. Think of Ozempic not just as a blood sugar manager, but also a potential partner in your weight loss journey. Weight gain is a common concern for many diabetes medications, so a drug that can potentially assist with weight loss is particularly noteworthy. The weight loss associated with Ozempic is believed to be due to its effect on slowing stomach emptying and reducing appetite. It's important to pair the medication with a balanced diet and regular exercise to maximize its benefits. Patients should always consult with their healthcare provider to discuss their individual goals and ensure a comprehensive and effective treatment plan. But here's the reality check. Every medication, no matter how promising, comes with its list of caveats. While Ozempic can be a powerful tool in your health arsenal, it's not without potential drawbacks. Side effects, ranging from the mild to the severe, have been reported. While talking headaches, nausea, and even a few more serious concerns. We'll be tackling these in detail in the upcoming video, but it's pivotal for you to be aware and prepared. So far, here's what we've unpacked. Ozempic, a medication primarily aimed at managing type 2 diabetes, can potentially do double duty by also aiding in weight loss. However, like any tool, it's essential to understand its full spectrum, the positives and the potential pitfalls. Keen to get the complete picture? We're just scratching the surface here. In part 2, we'll be diving deep into the side effects, examining the potential risks, and ensuring that you have all the information you need to make a well-informed decision. If this video brought you value, do us a favor. Give it a thumbs up, and if you have any experiences or questions about Ozempic, drop them in the comments below. We love hearing from you. And most importantly, ensure you tune in for the next segment where we unravel more about Ozempic. Catch you in the next video.